you can usually tell by the default spinning cube that the conversation's going to take a dark, sinister turn and become a little bit more serious. Oh well, let's go for it. Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now before I even begin, make sure you check out the podcast with Ducky3D or Nathan. It's pretty good to be honest, pretty honest as well, very open and pretty direct with his answers. Some you might agree with, some you might not, but hey, it's good if you just stick it on in the background, you're modelling or doing whatever. It's good to listen to. In fact, there's actually a few kind of interviews on the channel that's definitely worth checking out. But anyway, I want to kind of get something off my chest, or I just want to talk about it, to be honest. So obviously I get a lot of proposals or people coming to me saying, please can you review my add-on? Now if the add-on's free, yeah, of course I can. I love doing free add-ons, and I think the community I can feel it when I do like a commercial add-on versus a free add-on. I can fight, the tension in the room slightly builds up just ever so slightly. How dare he suggest a commercial add-on? But anyway, free add-on's perfectly fine, I love doing that. Now obviously I get people coming to me saying, I'll give you an affiliation link if you review my add-on. And 9 times out of 10 the add-on's pretty good, it's pretty decent, it's been well thought out, it's a good developer, the developer's got a kind of brand name behind them, stuff like this. But the other day somebody sent me their add-on to review and I didn't like it. I'll be honest, I didn't like it, I didn't think it was good. It's been a bit harsh to be honest, but I don't think there was value in the add-on. Now, it's a little bit judgmental to say I don't find value in it when somebody else might actually find value in the add-on. They might find it fantastic, it might be the best add-on in the world to them. But I just felt as if, I don't think it's worth recommending. And I kind of want the channel to be a source. So if I recommend something commercial to you, it's generally worth the investment. I don't want it to be just review every single add-on, commercial add-on, get a couple of quid here and there. It's really not worth it, to be honest. I mean, I don't make very much money off it, let's be honest here, man. A very good add-on, I might make 30 quid, 40 quid, whatever. But things like Serpents, definitely I would recommend that, stuff like this. But I basically told the developer, look, I'm not going to review this add-on, I don't think it's worth it. Maybe if you've done a bit of work here and there, yeah, I'll give it a quick view. And it went down like a fucking lead balloon. It was quite funny, to be honest. Alexa, dismiss. Sorry about that. So yeah, it went down like a lead balloon. And I don't know if a bit more often than I could chew, let's put it that way. But yeah, I'm not going to review shit. So if you would like something reviewed, yeah, by all means I'll happily review it if it's free. If it's got a commercial aspect, yeah, I'm happy to take an affiliation link, but I will be brutally honest about the product. If I don't think it's worth the money, I'll actually tell people that it's not worth the money. And that's one of these things you kind of need to judge and kind of need to balance out. It's not worth the extra couple of quid. What else can I say? Ah, fuck it. Have a nice night. Anyway, you know what to do.